Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with your ICT class, term 3, week 5. And we are learning about Microsoft Excel. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to create student mark sheet and do total with the help of AutoSum. Here is our Excel worksheet. Today we are going to make students mark sheet. We all know how to create a table. Here we will create a table and insert the fields required to create a mark sheet and do total with the help of AutoSum. Let us start to create the table. To create a table, first we have to select the rows and columns. So here I am going to select the rows and columns. After selecting the rows and columns, go to the border option and select all border. So here is your table. Once your table is created, you can type the text inside the table. So the fields required to create the student mark sheets are like roll number, name, subjects, marks and total. So these are the fields we will be requiring to create a mark sheet. So first let us give the heading students mark sheet. The first field will be roll number. So I'm typing here roll number. Next will be name. Then we are going to enter some subjects. What are the subjects you like? You can just enter some subjects over here. So I'm just giving here English, Maths, Arabic, ICT, PE. After entering all the subjects, and the last column will be total column. So the last column is total here. I'm entering the total column over here. So roll number, name, English subject, Maths, Arabic, ICT, PE, and the last column is for your total column. If you want to add more subjects, no problem. You can insert some column and you can add more subjects also. Let us enter our roll number. So after entering first two numbers, select the cell and drag and drop. So your numbers will be in order. Next, you can type the names. So I completed the names. Now here we are going to enter the marks for these subjects. English, Maths, Arabic, ICT, PE. We are going to enter the marks, and the marks range should be between 50 to 100. So whenever you're typing the marks, you can type the marks between 50 to 100. So like this you can enter the marks. I have completed the entering marks for English subject. Next, you can type the marks for Maths. So like this, you can enter the marks for all these subjects and you can complete. Now I have completed all the entry of marks. I have completed all the subject marks, and now the last column is our total column. So here I am going to show you how to do total with the help of AutoSum. We are in the Home tab, and here you can see the AutoSum. AutoSum helps you to do the total for your marks. So I will show you how to do it. Click on the cell where you want the total. For example, I am on the first child, name is Abdul. So I am here on this total column. So click the cell here and go to the AutoSum. Now once you click the AutoSum, you can see a formula is generated over here. So the formula is equal sum open braces D4 is to H4 and close braces. So here is a formula, and wherever the formula is typed, you can see in the formula bar, and the formula always starts with the equal sign. The formula always starts with the equal sign. And here I will tell you sum means it's total. So we are going to calculate the total. And here D4 is the column starting is D4 and the row is 4. So that's why it is given here D4 from D4 to H4. So here is the column H and fourth row. So that's why is equal to sum D4 to H4, your formula. And once the formula is generated, you can click the enter key on the keyboard. Now look, we got the total for these marks. Like 90 plus 86 plus 89 plus 90 plus 91, the total is 446. Again, I'm here again. Click the cell where you want the total and go and click on the auto sum. Once you click the auto sum, a formula is generated and click enter key from your keyboard. And now I'm going to click on the cell and drag and drop. So all my formulas will be copied for all the other students. No need to go one by one time and clicking the auto sum. So this is the easy method. Once you get one or two total, you can just click on the cell and go near the corner of the cell. You can see a plus sign, the thin plus sign. You can drag and drop. So all formulas will be calculated for your all the cells. So this is the way how we are getting the total of all the subjects. Now let us apply the font properties for our text. So go to the font color, choose some different font color, font style and font size. You can change different colors. If you want to increase the column width, you can increase it by increasing this column line, and keep your text in the center alignment by clicking this center. So now here is our students mark sheet. So this is how we are going to create a students mark sheet, and we can do the total for all the marks. Dear students, please practice how to create a student's mark sheet and do total with the help of AutoSum. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.